Here I am ready and prepared to fulfill the mitzvah of counting the Omer. As it says in the Torah, you shall count from the eve of the second day of Pesach, when an Omer of grain is to be brought as an offering 7 complete weeks. The day after the 7th week of your counting will make 50 days. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam, asher kiddushanu b'mitzvotav v'tivanu al sefarot ha'omer. Blessed are you, Adonai our God, sovereign of the universe, who has sanctified us with your commandments and command us to count the Omer. Hayom Tisha ve'esrim yom shehem arba shevaut ve'yom echad la'omer. Today is 29 days, which are 4 weeks and 1 day of the Omer.